Why is it so difficult to stop an unhealthy habit like drinking alcohol than it is to start a new healthy habit like drinking water? As a sobriety master coach and a recovery specialist, I really want you to understand this. As humans, we are a collection of programs, our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, our experiences. And depending on what you've been through, that shapes the programs that run in your mind. You're not the one choosing to think about alcohol, and you're definitely not the one choosing to think that horrible thought. Over time, they become ingrained in our mind and they become an automatic response to familiar situations. This is why it's easier to continue an unhealthy habit than it is to just start a brand new one. You're good at it. It's what you've practiced. Whether you drink because of a bad day or a good day, alcohol is going to reward you with a sense of pleasure. Every time that happens, that dopamine release reinforces that bad habit. That makes it harder to just quit. But on the other hand, just starting to drink water does not come with the immediate rewards like dopamine in the same way that alcohol does. Water isn't a drug and it's not a poison, so you're not going to immediately feel the effects of something designed for you long term. What's the point of drinking water if you're so drunk you can't even tell that you're dehydrated? The point is that starting a healthier lifestyle has less immediate reward, so it seems way in the distant future. So whether you're physically addicted to alcohol or you've been drinking so long that you drink the exact same way an alcoholic would, you're going to get good at anything you practice, and that includes overriding old neural pathways that lead you to practice alcoholic behavior. It all starts with a conscious decision and a commitment to change. If you were like me, taking 30 shots a day and had to survive liver failure, that means your commitment to change started at your rock bottom. So when you decide you're ready for a happier, healthier life, that doesn't come with sobriety. That's guaranteed with recovery. Recovery is the commitment to practicing healthy habits so you don't need to take time away from a poison. Your time in sobriety doesn't change anything, but your commitment to recovering changes everything. Over time, these new neural connections become stronger and they begin to override the old patterns. You're not just doing healthy things anymore, you're actually a healthy person. When you get so good at starting new habits, the old habits fix themselves. A healthy life isn't just less pain, it is more peace. Your emotions are actually entangled with all those bad habits. If it's difficult, it's because you're healing. So get clear of what you want to practice, and over time, you're going to be the best at it.